going on, man? We back outside today in the car. Man, I'm actually on the way to O'Reilly's right now. So I'm gonna try to pick up this new blower motor, man, and try to put it in. Try to get some little more air pressure out of here. You know, one of the subscribers, I think, commented, man, to just try to replace the blower, and it's like 30 bucks. So we may do that because, man, it's ice cold, but it's only ice cold about 12 inches from the AC. So with the windows up, I'm at 12 inches from the vent. So with the windows up, it actually takes a little bit of time to cool the car off. In the front seat, you're good, but, you know, in the back, it's kind of like breath hot. You know, you really got to be in it for 20-25 minutes before it starts to really get cool out. So right now we're finna go pick up this blower. That's what we're about to do. And then about to probably grab some lunch, man. And another thing that I like doing more than working on cars is eating food. So, man, there's a spot in town called Chef D Creations. I ain't never tried it, and everybody says it's pretty good. And another thing they say is he's like real big into the car culture. So, you know, go over there, see if he brought something out. He may have, he may not, you know. But they did tell me his tastes are real radical and a little different than mine. Because, you know, I'm real clean, subtle, and to the point type of guy. I like to keep my cars like, God, this road is terrible. I like to keep mine clean, like on my old schools. No wild paint, no wild anything, no crazy over-the-top interior. Just the way it came, but with a few modern touches and stuff. So we're gonna slide over there and grab some food and let y'all see if it's, you know, worth it. I know, you know, some of my OKC subscribers have probably tried it. What do y'all think, man? Y'all just let me know if it's worth the money. Actually, they say it, and the crazy part is a lot of people say that it's not priced bad either, so we'll see. But right now I'm at O'Reilly's. Gonna run in here, grab this blower, and then go over here and grab some lunch, see what happens. So let me cut y'all back on in a minute. Got that blower real quick. Outside, boy, this thing looks so good. New blower. The carpet look good. I gotta get the mats too, man. These mats, I only got one in right now, so because I don't really like the old mats. They're kind of like real dingy and old. But my partner keeps telling me, he just said, man, what I should do is take some real heavy degreaser and just degrease them out and then just let them dry. He said it'll actually bring some of the color back, so hopefully he's right. Man, it fell out already. Come on now. But anyway, I'm gonna go, you'll see, got the blower right there. I'm gonna go grab some lunch real quick and then head back to work. Once I get this thing home, I'll probably wait till I get home and throw this blower in, because I got another little part that came in that I want to put on here today too, that we'll throw on for y'all, man, and show y'all. Like I said, we're just gonna keep doing the little stuff, man, to this car to make it actually what I wanted. Because I'm trying to turn around, because actually I really like this car, and I think I'm just gonna keep it, man, and just enjoy this car for as long as I can, man, and just really have it. Because I really came to the realization, man, and I'm a Cadillac man at heart. Well, General Motors, man, but Cadillacs have been like the passion of mine since I was a kid. Hell, I've got it tattooed on my leg, so you know what I mean. It's one of those deals where when I bring a Chevy, the Chevy is gonna be cool, but it's not gonna fulfill me like this Cadillac does. So anyway, we're gonna go pick up the food from Chef D, see what he got for me. Pulling up right now. Let's see what he got in here, man. See if he brought something out, man. It's actually got a few people in here, so we'll see. Got a few people in, so I got the gold. Got a gold Challenger out here. I see what we got going on. Let's see what we got. Get y'all some footage of the gold Challenger after I get me some food. So that thing is solid gold too. That's crazy. I think that's a wrap. Yeah, let me grab this food. Got that food. It's all boxed up. You got that thing crazy. I ain't trying to. It's just a scat. I don't know, man. Like I said, I don't know my charges and challenges and everything. That thing is tough. Like it. mess with the Caddy, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I don't care what you got. If you got a Lambo, if you got a Ferrari, you got a damn, I don't care what it is. I'm sorry, man. I'm choosing a Cadillac all day long. In the supercar game, I hear people talk about all the time. They take a C7, C8, Z06, all this other stuff. Me, still going with a CTSV or a CT5 Blackwing, one of those, because they just, oh, you don't need nothing more than that, man. And I'm telling you, there's some cars out right now that'll make you scratch your head when you see them. That's kind of one of them, man. I think that style is a little overkill for me. Not really what I'm into, so, you know. But to each his own. But in my opinion, can't go wrong with a lag. But I'm about to show y'all this. Let me turn around, show y'all this food real quick. I actually bagged it up, so. So this is the 8-piece chicken wings, sauced up wings with, if I can get the bag off, shrimp pasta with it, so it actually look pretty good. It actually look good, man. So anyway, y'all let me know, like I said, if y'all tried this Chef D spot. I'm gonna go try it, knock it off, because I'm hungry anyway, so. All right, I'm gonna get back to work. We'll cut y'all back on once we get to the house and get started putting these couple of parts in that I got. So I'm gonna enjoy this radio, get this thing back, and then finish my day out at work, and then go home and then do some more work on the Caddy. So check y'all in a minute. And so I didn't end up going home. I ended up just staying at work, because I ended up realizing I gotta leave this car here tonight so I can actually go pick up this tool cart I gotta grab, so I can actually keep all my tools in it. And so I'm gonna just swap this blower while I'm here and then see if that helps it out. Anyway, let me find I gotta get a new tool cart, man. I got stuff everywhere, man. I need to get all this cleaned up. Life of a technician, you know, we tend to keep stuff everywhere. So let's see if I can find what I'm looking for, which is crazy. This thing still has standard sizes, so that's the hard part. Is I need a 1/4 inch, but I don't have a 1/4 inch socket. Only thing 1/4 inch I got is a little 1/4 inch wrench, but this may work. Oh, I got a 1/4 inch socket somewhere around here. If not a 1/4 inch, a 6.5. For y'all young technicians, don't be like me. Keep your areas clean. I hope that ain't it. But actually, let's see. That's a 1/4 right there. Let's see if I can use my. Got so many tools everywhere. Got a lot of stuff to take home, but I don't know if I need to take it home or not. So it's been a disaster. Let's see if this will fit. Yeah, that 1/4 fits. And they're loose enough I can actually take them out by hand. So pop these out real quick. Get this blower swapped. Y'all look, man, my blower case is fully together, no cracks, anything. Once again, this car is surprising me more and more every day, so need to check this out. So that tells me I need to get some standard size sockets for this, because there's always that one that I can't reach. Anyway, let me get this blower out. I'm gonna stick this new one in, and then we're gonna check the AC and see if we get any more pressure. Got that new blower in. So now we're gonna fire it up. See if it got any better or not. Hopefully it did, man. So I ain't gotta really worry about it too much. So Man, I love how this thing just pops right off. Oh yeah. Oh, this world's better. There. So now I can actually feel it, you know, sitting back in my seat. It's actually hitting my face. So maybe it was just a little blower being old that had it like that. So anyway, we got that finished. The air is actually blowing a lot better. So right now we're gonna actually, tomorrow I'll try to replace the steering shaft with the Jeep shaft, get rid of that rag joint, because I kind of don't like the rag joint setup anyway. It's kind of terrible for these cars. But like I said, we're gonna piece this car together as much as we can for as budget friendly as we can, doing all the work ourselves. So I appreciate y'all for watching the videos, man. And anyway, Chef D's was really, really good. So if y'all in the OKC area, check it out, man. It was really good. I got the sauced up wings and fries with the shrimp pasta. It was like $14. Y'all go check him out, man. He got a nice little car collection. We're gonna try to link up, try to, you know, do a video showing everybody his cars and what he got and what he got to offer. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. We'll catch y'all in the next video.